Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So I finally reached 200 subscribers and I'm really happy. I couldn't have done it by myself. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. So today I'll be making a real easy meal. It's very quick and easy to prepare. I'll be doing some grilled snapper fish. So let's start. So for this recipe, I'll be using 2 whole snapper fish, which I already washed and cleaned and pat dried and sliced. So I have some herbs for my seasoning. I'm gonna be using garlic, onion, green pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. Some black pepper, ground pimento, and salt, and butter, and my olive oil. So I'm gonna start by blending my ingredients to make my sauce, my green sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and add some vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And about a tablespoon of olive oil. It's very noisy. Sorry for the noise. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start marinating my fish. Make sure you put the sauce in the little cuts in the core. And you're going to rub it all over your fish. You want your fish to be full of flavor. So I'm going to add extra black pepper just for a little more spice. So now we're going to cover it for about 20 minutes just to get it marinated. So all this flavor soaks up in all this good fish. So I'll see you soon. Now that my fish is all ready, I'll be putting these in the oven to bake. So I'm going to go ahead and grease my baking tray, and I'm going to put some margarine all over my fish just for extra flavor. So it's nice and moist. So guys, my oven is already preheated to 350 degrees and I'll be baking it for about 30 minutes till 40 minutes. So I'll see you soon. So this is my finished product. My oven roasted snapper fish. So if you like my recipe, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching on another episode of Gerald's Kitchen. Bye bye.